Hey everybody, hey! It's Heather the original. What's good? What's up with y'all? What y'all doing? Hey, I'm out here today. I'm doing some Wendy's for y'all real quick. And it's beautiful, beautiful evening. I just did something simple. I did a Dave's Classic. But I did a double cheeseburger, everything on it that comes with it, and it's French fry and a drink. I did something simple. Yes, I did. What y'all doing? If you're first time here, which I'm sure you are, of course you are, hit that subscribe button. Now I do put a little floating subscribe button. That's not a real subscribe button. It's just telling you to subscribe. The watermark actually on I think on the right hand side of the screen is the one you push, or you can just underneath the channel you can hit the subscribe button. Hit the like button for me, please, so it lets everybody know. You know, it shows me around a little bit. Hit the notification bell so you know when I drop a vid. But yeah, y'all, you know I'm ready to get it in. I'm starving. But like I said, I did all the fixings. I did add a little bit more ketchup. What y'all think? Dave's Classic. I'm just doing a classic. Look at that, y'all. A classic burger. Let's eat. It comes with, the only thing I took off that came in was pickles. The pickles, onion, and tomato. Oddly, no lettuce. It was fine with me, but no lettuce. Man. I got a double. I don't know why, y'all. No, I can't eat no double. No, I can't. We went hard. My homegirl, Julie, I've been in videos with me. It's her birthday weekend. We had a good time. Good time. We went hard. I didn't film any of it though. I didn't. I should have, but we actually didn't go out to eat or anything, so. And everywhere else would have music playing. So. I could have. I mean, it's so cute. We tailgated. Before entering any clubs. How funny is that? We did. We had more fun hanging out in the parking lot. It was funny. We ended up meeting a lot of nice group of people. Men, yeah, men. You know, and kind of hooked us up in this little undercover spot, after hour spot. Which is really cool. And y'all. Taking a big bite. Well, I mean, my D'Angelo look like. If y'all don't know, I was once obsessed with the singer, songwriter, D'Angelo. Obsessed. And I seen her look like, y'all. Whew. My mom was a... But, y'all, you got a woman. I know. Oh, I know. Say la vie. Yeah, I'm in a hurry. I'm actually meeting someone. But I was starving. I hadn't eaten dinner. I was like, meeting him. Oh, Sprite. Sprite, yeah. And I was like, hold up. I can't even chill with you because I need to eat. I need to eat with my fam. I'm telling them what's going on. This is good. I mean, for Wendy's. And it's not like my Tex Melts or my Burger King grilled burgers, but it'll do. Sorry, you guys. I should be showing y'all this. I'm so sorry. Everything's hidden over here. Trying to make sure y'all see it. Keep sliding down. But yeah, I got a double. What? Why did my crazy ass get a double? Good job. Drama once again is trying to fill my life. I know, right? I'm just like, whatever. I don't care. I just chose not to respond to that. I don't want ugly acting people in my life. They have been dismissed. So if you're ugly acting, don't come my way. No, thank you. I was taught by a good friend of mine here recently. You know, positive vibes. Positive vibes, you know. I'm dealing with ugly acting people. Some people just gravitate toward negativity. Negativity. You know what I mean? I don't get that. I think those are the ones that's had too good for most of their life. That they welcome negative thoughts, negative energy. I'm like, oh, you must have had it too good for most of your life. All I know is negative. Now I'm trying to be a positive person, positive life, positive energy. You want to be negative, keep it moving. No. So we don't do that, do we? No, we don't. Oh, yeah. I don't know why I get cute and go double. I was really hungry. I want to make it not a double. I still won't be able to finish it. I think I've eaten too much. But I'm doing good. I really am. Just, you know. You must grieve, maintain. Be a mom, be a grandma. You know. You know the best I can do? Hey! What was I about to say? I forgot. I remember. So I haven't been paying attention to current events. And I probably should, but I haven't. Sorry. There's a few things here and there. Nothing major. A lot of athletes taking charges though. Oh, I haven't got anything good on TV. I need to finish Stranger Things. The new one. I'm up to date on the seasons. I need to do the last season. Or the next 4th season, I think? Yeah. But I haven't found my way to, like, get into it, y'all. I don't want to do any spoilers. I can't discuss, but some of the things is just kind of like, what? Not really out there. I get it. You're like, how is it too far out there? 11 had powers, and a kid was abducted by whatever he was abducted by, or whatever. They go to some other world to get him. I get it. But damn, I can almost accept people with powers. Before I can accept people returning from the dead. I'm like, what? They're doing the most. I'm full, y'all. I did cheat and take out the last part of my burger. I cheated, I know. I don't know what possessed me to get a double. I don't. My greedy ass wants one more bite. Oh my god. Really? What? For a simple burger meal, that was alright. Don't forget to do what? Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Please and thank you. I'm here. I'm always here. I ain't going nowhere from y'all. I promise. But I got to roll out. There's I got stuff to do. I do this on the fly. I do it for y'all, so I love y'all. Take care. Have a great night, evening, day, morning, whatever. Whenever you choose to watch this. Take care. Love you guys. Bye.